On the 16th of this December, ChatGPT just announced their new ChatGPT Images, and I'm sure you have seen all these trending plushies models, 3D holiday cards, ink artwork, all of that. Check this out. They said the new images model is rolling out today in ChatGPT for all users and is available in the API as GPT Images 1.5. The link to this page is down below. You can access the model by tapping try in ChatGPT or directly on your ChatGPT page. You will notice it's now images in the sidebar, which means they're taking this seriously. Images is not a side feature, it's now one of the main features in ChatGPT. So click on images. On your ChatGPT image, you have your usual prompts box, and check this out. You have style on an image. So anyone can use this. You don't have to be a prompt expert and look for prompts, try to describe what you want to generate. All these styles have pre-made prompts for them. Candyland, sketch, holiday portrait, dramatic, plushy, baseball bobblehead. If you click on this arrow, there's more to go. 3D glam doll, doodle, ornament, art school, sorry, sugar cookie, fisheye. If you scroll even more, there is something new to discover. Create a holiday card. What would you like as a K-pop star? Some really new trendy ideas, and here you will find your images that you already generated before. Let's try the most trending so far, which is the plushie trend. All you need to do is click on the style and you have to upload a photo. Let's use this photo of Maddie as an example. As you see, once you select the photo, it automatically sets up the prompt and sends the image. I choose this image specifically to see, is the plushie gonna be much detail or is just some generic plushie model. Amazing details, even the Holy Bible name is in there. The hairstyle is the same, the blue eye, the necklace, amazing result. Now, if you want to generate something new, all you need to do is click on images again. And if you scroll down, you will find all your results in case you want to get back to them or download them later. Let's try out another style right here, sugar cookie, for example. Here you will see your recent images if you want to reuse them on another style. So if you want to choose a new photo, you click on here, and if you want to use a pre-used photo, you just click on it directly. All right, let's use an even more complicated photo right here. As you see, the prompt is very long, very detailed. Create a tasty, perfectly formed sugar cookie decorated with smooth royal icing based on the subject or image. If the image contains a person, render a simplified icing likeness of their face. Very detailed prompts that will give us the best results. Our sugar cookie is ready to go. I love the details in this. There's so many things taken from the original picture and just pasted into a sugar cookie style. Now let's not use any of the styles or automated prompts that ChatGPT Images offer and generate something from scratch. This is the result of a very simple prompt. Generate a poster for the final season of the series Stranger Things. Make it shocking, turn of events, and flashy. Now let's do a little comparison with Google's Gemini Nano Banana Pro, and we're gonna use the same prompt. The results of the Google Gemini is way too far from reality. There's so many extra things that I don't think are connected to the series, so there's a lot of details missing. I would say that the ChatGPT Images has more details and more realistic. That was about it about ChatGPT Images. Tell me in the comments what do you think, and see you in the next one.